Hi, my name is Nick. I'm the lead developer at Accounting Add-ons, and today I'll show you how to use the receivables reporting functionality that is within BudgetLink. Now, the purpose of this video is to roughly give you an overview of what can be done with our software. The main topics I'll cover is how to use the report and also how to customize the report. I've got BudgetLink running right now, already installed. I've already done the get data process, and I also have installed the receivables report pack. You can see it within the menu. It's called 21. Receivables Pivot Report Pack. So let's give it a go. So I'll go ahead and open up the Receivables Pivot Report Pack. You can notice it's made up of a single report at the moment, and I'll open it up. Right now it's currently displaying customers down the page, followed by invoice number. You can see the aging categories across the page, and it is set to display the data for the financial year 2013 and for the month of January. Now, this report is using just a standard pivot table from Excel. What BudgetLink does is essentially flesh out the data to put into that pivot table. So the magic of BudgetLink is not so much the actual pivot table itself, it's actually the data that's being calculated behind the scenes. So what can I do with this report? Well, first off, if I wanted to change the financial year, the month, or the job number, it's just a matter of changing the actual value. I'll choose for the month, I'll choose February, press OK, and right now it's showing me my receivables for February. Now I can do the same type of filtering for job numbers. At the moment it's including all the jobs, so let's have a look at what the receivables were for job 115. So I'll choose that, press OK, and right now it's showing me the receivables that were for job 115. It's showing me what customer they related to and what invoices numbers and how old those invoices are and how much is outstanding as of February. Now, the reason BudgetLink can provide you those numbers is it actually looks at your original sales, apportion all the lines of those sales against the original amounts, and then uses this apportionment or these percentages that is calculated to determine how the payments that have been received get treated across time. And that's why BudgetLink can calculate a receivables report against any different dimension that's available. Now, that's basic filtering taken care of, but the next question is, what else can you do with the report? Now, the other thing you will have noticed on the right hand side of my screen is there's the pivot table fields section, and that essentially includes all the different fields we can include on this report at the moment. From this we can actually create entirely different reports. You'll notice there's a filters section here, there's a column section, there's a rows, and there's a values section. Now, I'm not interested in seeing this report by customers. I'm really interested in seeing receivables by job. What will I do? Well, there's basically 3 easy steps to follow. I'll simply remove the invoice number field, remove the customer field, and then move the job number to be in the rows. How do I do that? Simple. I just need to untick the invoice number field, it's gone. I need to untick the customer name field, it's gone. And that job number field, I can basically untick it, grab it, drag it down to the rows, and now I've got a receivables report by job. Now, the last thing I want to change is the numbers on this report. At the moment it's running a receivables report inclusive of tax and GST, and I want to run it on an exclusive basis. So what I'll do, I'll just scroll down to the list of fields and I'll untick the tax inc remaining field, and I'll drag the tax x remaining field into the values section, and that's it. Now, that pretty much covers the main things you can do with the receivables report. I've shown you how to use the report as well as how to do some of the basic customizations. The main point to take from this video is that it's not too hard to actually customize the report and lay the fields on exactly as you need them to. There's a vast array of fields you can actually include on the report to produce exactly what you need. If you've got any questions, feel free to contact us. I'm sure we can help. Cheers. See ya.